Welcome to Protect Nature, where you will witness scary natural scenes, from strong tornadoes to floods that destroy human life. In the upcoming video, we will put you on an emotional journey where nature reveals our terrible strength and reflects the consequences of people. Through the true footage, we not only want to record the damage that nature caused, but also evoke you a sense of environmental protection and responsibility with this planet. This video is not only a wake-up scene, but also an inspiration for us to join hands to preserve and protect our own living environment. So, are you ready for this challenging journey? Let's start. The road was seriously damaged by floodwaters, obstructing traffic. Floodwaters floating away everything in a fierce way. The roof was overturned by the intense storm. The roof was blown off by the tornado and flew up in the terrifying hurricane. The rain and floodwater rose so high that the bridge collapsed. It was terrifying. Cars were submerged deep in floodwater and mud, barely visible amid the thick mud, as if completely submerged in the fury of nature. The forest was burning terribly. The black smoke billowing up was terrifying. The house caught fire fiercely and then suddenly exploded. Debris flew and black smoke billowed. Oh my God! Floodwaters are scary. It flooded and swept everything. The road was cracked, deep cracks running like a wound on the surface, the asphalt broken and rough. The house burned fiercely and eventually collapsed, and in just a moment, the roof was consumed by the flames, collapsing to the ground. Heavy rain for many days caused the soil and rocks on the mountain to soften and caused a strong landslide. Heavy rain for many days caused the soil and rocks on the mountain to soften and caused a strong landslide. The huge tornado was blowing everything up into the sky. Trees were being heavily damaged. Furniture was swept away by the floodwaters, drifting in the fast-flowing, muddy water. The building caught fire. The billowing black smoke was terrifying. The roof was blown off, exposing the empty interior in the midst of a fierce storm. The house sank due to the strong floodwater, causing the riverbank to collapse. The floodwater rose high, flowing like a waterfall, sweeping away everything in its path, leaving behind a scene of severe devastation. The storm tore the roof off the house, leaving a desolate scene under the gloomy sky. The floodwaters flowed rapidly, engulfing everything in their path, carrying with them a fierce, destructive force. The snow on the mountain avalanche, rolling down from the cliff. Floodwaters carried mud and dirt, creating murky streams that overwhelmed everything in their path. Hot lava poured out of the volcano like a red river. The The volcano erupted, spewing magma and rock, creating a giant column of smoke that billowed into the sky and shook the surrounding land. The flood is coming and sweeping away everything in its path. The mountain suddenly collapsed on the house, causing heavy damage. The earth and rocks suddenly collapsed, burying the excavator. The flood carried mud and soil, seriously inundating the road. Cars were stuck on the side of the road. The volcano erupted, black smoke billowed up, covering the sky. The car was being swept away by the floodwater. It was terrifying. The road was cracked, with deep, long cracks that tore like open wounds, and the asphalt crumbled, creating dangerous bumps. The floodwaters rushed in, causing houses and streets to be severely submerged. The car was submerged in a heavy snowstorm, accompanied by strong winds. The lava erupted, rolling down the town, swallowing everything in its path in a panic. Houses heavily damaged by tornado. The floodwater on the river rose high and flowed rapidly. The tornado roared, rotating violently like a rage monster, wiping out everything within its reach. The fire blazed fiercely in the rain, creating bright spots in the pouring rain. The road was submerged in floodwaters. Cars and motorbikes were submerged under the raging water, making it difficult for people to move around. Icebergs drifted ashore, looming among the rolling waves, creating a magical and chilling scene. The floodwater on the river flows rapidly and violently, causing landslides and extremely strong landslides. The flooded road made traffic inconvenient. Rocks and soil fell down from the cliff with a loud rumble, creating a terrifying echo in the quiet space. The houses were heavily damaged by yesterday's storm. Oh my God, half the mountain is collapsing. It's terrifying. The thick, dark clouds swirled in the sky, presenting a giant tornado, ready to sweep everything on its way. Through the scary natural scenes that Protect Nature recorded, we would like to send deep thanks to all those who have accompanied us in this journey. The images and stories we share are not only a testament to the power of nature, but also a reminder that we need to act right now. Take part in local environmental protection activities and the next generation education about the importance of the planet's protection. We cannot change the past, but can shape the future. Let's join hands to build a safer world where nature is respected and preserved. Thank you for listening and participating in the environmental protection journey.